I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device model and ensuring battery is healthy. Plug in if under 50%. Next, gather the account credentials tied to the device, Apple ID, or Google account, because you will need them for official recovery. Then, try the simplest authenticators. Enter your PIN or pattern, try fingerprint or Face ID again, and use any backup codes you previously saved. Once done, make sure you note whether the device accepts a temporary unlock or prompts for account verification. That determines the next method. If the device still won't unlock, you proceed to account recovery. For Apple devices, sign into iCloud and use Find My iPhone to put the device in lost mode or erase it. For Android, open Find My Device to locate, lock, or wipe. Next, if you can't sign in, use the vendor web portal and run the forgot password flow. Follow multi-factor prompts and wait for verification codes. Make sure to confirm a recent backup exists, iCloud, Google Drive, or a local computer backup, before erasing. You finish by erasing and restoring if recovery fails. Enter recovery mode or use the vendor tool to perform a factory reset, but only after ensuring a valid backup exists. Once the device is wiped, restore from iCloud, Google Drive, or your local backup, then reconfigure security. Set a strong PIN, enable biometrics, and generate backup codes. If things go wrong, contact vendor support with proof of ownership. Alternatively, make sure you try the official vendor repair center. Avoid third-party.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.